good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to school, children. Today we will be learning the first poem from our English Balbati textbook, Standard 2nd. Let's hear the poem. Read aloud a poem, Bridge. Children, please repeat after me. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. To- Today, children, I am going to give you a brief introduction of the poem. A bridge. The poetess compares rainbow with a bridge built on treetop, links earth and sky. This poem, Rainbow, is by Christina Rossetti. The poet also draws the comparison between the bow of the bridges on the river and the bow that bridges the sky. She feels that the latter has more beauty. Kids, as I added the introduction of the poem, now let me explain you all in detail the poem Bridge. The poetess compares rainbow with a bridge built on tree top which links earth and sky. It is about boats, ships, clouds and bridges. It says that the clouds that sail across the sky are more beautiful than the boats and ships sailing across the rivers and oceans. The poetess admires the natural beauty of flying clouds which look better than moving ships and seas. She compares rainbow with a bridge built on treetop which links earth and sky. The poetess also draws the comparison between the bow that bridges the sky and feels that it has more attention and feelings towards beauty. The rainbow connects heaven and earth is more beautiful and attractive than bridges made upon rivers. Children, can you point out the word bow in the poem? Refers to what? Oh, rainbow. Fantastic, kids. Can you name the colors you see in a rainbow? Interactive discussion. 1, 2. Come on, children. Yes, eyes on you. Come on, kids. Open textbook page number 2. Name the object that have these colors and jot it down in your book. Now for your practice, read out the word wall. Look and say. River, sky, sea, clouds, bridges, heaven, across, earth, prettier, ships, bow, overtops. Kids, as I already told you that rainbow has 7 colors. Now you tell me the things that have following colors. Yes, come on, very good. Violet. Violet has, yes, brinjal. Yes, violet has. Which objects or things that have following colors? Brinjal, jamun, yes. Indigo, dye. Blue, whale, sky. Green, grass, trees. Yellow, mango, bananas. Orange, oranges, marigold. Red, apple, tomato. Yes, very good. So children, let us begin with day 2. Let's hear the poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Kids, go through the word wall which I already given you on day 1. Shall we restart again today so that you will memorize it properly? River, sky, sea, clouds, bridges, heaven, across, earth, prettier, ships, bow, overtops. So children, today again you learn the word wall. As I read out the summary of the poem given in workbook, page number 1. From this poem we learn how pretty clouds and rainbows are. The poet talks about boats, ships, clouds and bridges, but thinks that the rainbow is the prettiest. Now you will see the picture glossary given in the workbook, and I will explain you the meanings for the following words. The first word is bridge. Bridge means something that joins or connects, or the place on a ship where the ship is steered. The second word is overtop, and the meaning is above the top of. So children, are you clear with the meanings? So the picture glossary is clear to you? Good. Now clap your hands. Children, there comes an activity for you. Children, listen to your teacher and number the colors given in workbook exercise 1. Green, indigo, orange, red, yellow, blue, violet. You will number the colors according to the numbers given in the workbook. Very good, children. Now children, let's start with day 3. Let's hear the poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the boat that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. We have to revise the concept of the rhyming words. So kids, I will explain you what do you mean by rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words with the same sound. Sky, high, seas, bees, bow, low, cloud, loud, pretty, city. Kids, I hope you have understood it. Now, let's see the peer learning. Peer learning means a Children of the same group will form the pairs and the teacher will divide the class into pairs. The children will interact with each other and name the 7 colors of rainbow given in the picture, and they will share their answers in the workbook, exercise 3. So children, in day 3 at the end, complete the missing letters by adding the names of colors of rainbow. V dash 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 dash. So can you tell the name of the color? Violet. In the same way, you will do all the remaining missing letters by adding the names of the colors. I hope children, you will do all the missing letters correctly. Okay, good. Lastly, kids, there's an fun activity for you. Color the rainbow on page 3 and fill the colors in correct order. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Rainbow is also called as Vibgor. I hope, kids, you have enjoyed the activity. Very good, children.